What you saw is the largest group of carol singers holding the Guinness World Records. 25,272 singers in a single event. This happened on the 13th of December 2014. This is one of the largest rituals happening every Christmas season in Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. You see, over 23 million people visit the Times Square in New York City every year. This is more than any spot on the planet except the Disneyland. And this is because of ritual events like dropping the ball every New Year Eve. It took some community of business people and citizens to create this because they believe in one purpose. When rituals like this is being held, some of the things that attract people to visit will entice them to stay.
Hello, I'm Bishop TDJ. I will be in Uyo, Nigeria for the Akwa Ibom State Christmas Carols Festival on December.
And if Uyo Akwa Ibom State will gain an international status as an experiential location brand, then rituals like this should be continued even to the next decade.
Oh, Christmas tree.